Alright, we're in St. Thomas. This area is called Three Finger Jack because this is where them said Three Finger Jack come from. Three Finger Jack was a unruly man, one of them unruly pirates. You know, this is his area. And you're looking back into Kingston, the Kingston Harbour over there. So all that's looking like is Kingston. You know, right here. So this is where I normally come from. When I'm going or coming from St. Thomas, I normally stop here just to check out the view. Because as I can see, it's very beautiful. You know, so I'll just come here and sit here for like even 20 minutes and just look out there. You know, so this is like a spot at Three Finger Jack Corner in St. Thomas, looking to Kingston.
Wow. Nice house over there. The OB around it. Hey guys. This is Rondie, no sleep.
No sleep.
From Buju Banton concert. And now we're looking at the view.
Yeah.
Three Finger Jack is in St. Thomas. We're going to Nadine's people, them to check in with them. And then we're going to roll out again at some point to get the tour. I love traveling to Jamaica and catching special views. You know, just love the journey of learning these different places, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone has a different place and it's so beautiful. Wow. St. Thomas is and what do you call this road?
Road, don't know the name of the road, I just know that this is 12 miles, Three Finger Jack, 12 miles.
12 miles.
Yeah, Three Finger Jack. The Three Finger Jack area of 12 miles.
Yeah. Wow, amazing. Love it. See, Jamaica. I mean,
And yeah, it's 3 hours away from Mandeville, and we can bring it to a spot like this and looking into Kingston. And this is nothing yet.
and we haven't even touched Portland yet.
Yeah, we don't reach nowhere yet.
Look how beautiful. Is there a path to get to that beach? You don't know, but I'm sure.
Yeah, there gotta be. Alright, when we get into St. Thomas, I'm gonna take you where they normally do surfing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
In St. Thomas.
Some stones for these are.
Three Finger Jack.
Oh, that's the story right there. Let's zoom in on that and take a picture. Zoom in here and clear that up, and we take a shot of that. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you. And here we have. There's some, and they keep the stone. This is the Maroon state law. Sovereign heritage. So this Paul Bogle I know he's in Morant Bay, but wow, they keep the stones balanced here. This is a spiritual place. Wow, love it. I think St. Thomas is one of the more. Wow, see that? I've never seen this before. Didn't know that exists in Jamaica.
travel with me, I can expect the unexpected, you know?
Yeah, man. Like randomness is God power, you know? We didn't have anywhere to stay, so we just drove. Drink 2 Red Bull. sunrise in the morning coming from the east. Yes. Yeah, man. St. Thomas. All of Jamaica is just beautiful, untouched, and life is just moving. You know, people are going about their business, riding their bicycle. It gets such a bad reputation. You know, the small size, no real economy. It's such a bad rep. St. Thomas is kind of flat and mountainous at the same time, right? Yeah. Not a lot of hills. To see the progress of the people, and look at that, our famous driver here is taking us to a secluded area because he's frequent these areas and I'm the great interviewer. Look at this magnificent home. I make life so beautiful. Look at that. That's your home, Jamaica. Near 5 minutes walk away from the beach, and you tell me you're not coming home. St. Thomas.
South Haven.
This is South Haven. Dogs are looking at me like, Rondie, I saw those 2 Red Bulls in your eyes. You didn't have any sleep, buddy. You know these people?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh. That takes you on a journey. See, people, this is your country, Jamaica. Hello, Ashan. Good morning, good morning. Living the good life. All I need now is a good wife. Get out the car, man. You like the car too much. Mango is over here. Bula is over here. Jacket is on. This is Rondie for Jamaica Good Life. Here's your driver. No, this is St. Thomas, all the rough waters, but catch the view in the morning right here, and look at the houses, how near. Wow, this is your Jamaica. So now what I'm gonna do is take your rubbish home with you. Thank you. I'm gonna take off my shoe. And I have to hope I don't get a cold. St. Thomas Beach, here I come. Woohoo! Sand feels good. Man. Take some pictures here. Get some stone. Yes! Woo! Yeah, baby. Look at these beautiful stones. Jamaica! This is you! Kind of rocky around here, but it's good to meditate. I get some of these rocks from my daughter. We just want the coata from our foot. Just land in the water. St. Thomas, I love you. I love you, St. Thomas. You love me back. Music to my ears. Breakfast. Would you like a mango for breakfast? You're good? Or a bullock? Okay. Don't cry, you know, when the hunger hits you. Okay. Get silent.
Silent, I mean, no, silent means something I can't think.
There's a silent cry.
Silent cry?
Yes.
It can't be a cry for silent. It can't be a cry for silent.
We appreciate you taking us on